For the second question of our Investigation 2 quiz, this is how we read it. Rachel's backyard swimming pool is being emptied by a pump. The amount of water in the pool, W, in gallons at any time t in hours is given by the following equation. W equals negative 250 t plus 2,000. So they ask us how many gallons of water are being pumped at each hour. We will look at our rate of change, or our coefficient. We look at how much money we're pumping out per hour. Our t is our per hour. So the number next to our variable t is going to be how much we're pumping out per hour. And by explaining how you got your answer, you can say that you looked at your equation and you notice that the number next to your t, your number of hours, tells you how much water you're pumping out per hour. After 6 hours, how much water is left at the pool? So you want to start out with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how about we add another one for 6? So at 0 hours, if we put 0 into our t, 0 times negative 250 is just 0, and we're left with 2,000. So at 0 hours, we have 2,000 gallons of water that's still in the pool. At 1 hour, we can put our 1 into our equation. 1 times negative 250 plus 2,000. And we know our rate of change is this value right here. So we're basically just losing 250 from our total amount. So 2,000 minus 250 is going to be 1,750. So for every hour, we're losing 250 gallons of water. So when we go from 1 hour to 2 hours, we're just losing another 250, which takes us to 1,500. And if we lose another 250 gallons, we're at 1,250, then 1,000, then 750, then 500. So how much water was in the pool at the start? Well, at the start is our 0 hours. And at 0 hours, we had 2,000 gallons of water in the pool. So we can explain it by saying, well, in our table at 0 hours, we had 2,000 gallons of water. Or you can look at your original equation. 2,000 is our b value, our y-intercept, or our starting point. You can explain that in an equation. What you're adding to, or your b value, is going to be how much you start out with. So how long will it take to empty the pool? For the next question. Well, we start at 2,000, then we go to 1,750, 1,500. Whoops, forgot a 0 there. Whoop, that's going to be 1,250, sorry guys. Then 1,000, then 750, then 500. So we're losing 250 each time. So if we continued our table, at 7 hours, we would be at 250, and at 8 hours, we'd be at 0. So our water would be at 0 at 8 hours. You can explain that by saying you used your table to find out how long it takes to be at 0 gallons of water in the pool.